Hey, what's up? It's your boy RK Richard, and today I'm going to be showing a really quick trick on how to clean your flame sensor in your furnace. So before you start, you got to make sure that you turn the furnace off. So as you can see, it's in the off position. And if you know where your gas line valve is, it's a good idea to turn that off. I, for one, don't know where mine is. It's in a place where I can't locate, but as long as the furnace is off and you take care of this relatively quickly, you shouldn't have any flames or anything, by the way, especially if you can't find your gas line. If you're playing with the furnace, just keep lighters and anything with fire away. I mentioned earlier that I didn't know where my gas line valve was to turn it off. I actually did, and it's actually just right over top of here. So it's on right now. We're just gonna flick that off, and now the gas line is off. Got an old frigidaire furnace. I've already removed the cover and everything there. Got my tools and everything there. But yeah, once you remove it, you're gonna want to locate where the flame sensor is. Now this lighting here isn't very good. It's actually the worst lighting. But basically you want to track the gas line. So this is the gas line. Okay, it's going inside the furnace here. And it's going up, and these are the burners that are up in this area right here. When the furnace is on, you can kind of see those round things. Those are the burners there. You'll see flames coming through there. And then the flame sensor line is actually going to be going down in this section right here. I've already taken it out, and this is how it looks like. I've already cleaned it, and I'll show you how I did that. But this will be sticking in kind of in the back, somewhere in this section over here, and it's usually like a metal rod. It's either going to be straight or it's going to be curved, but you want to look for a metal rod, and it's got an attachment on the bottom here. Some YouTubers have taken this part off. I just took the whole thing out. It's attached with a screw on the side here. So yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. Now in regards to cleaning the flame sensor, I've seen some YouTubers use I've heard stuff about using like a wire brush, but there's one guy I saw that was using actually tinfoil and using the rough end of the tinfoil. I can't really do this with one hand because I'm holding the phone in my right hand currently, but you're basically gonna just wrap it around, and then you're just gonna go back and forth lightly to get all the debris and stuff off of there. I already cleaned this, so it's looking pretty nice and silver and a nice little glisten there. But before, there was kind of like charcoal marks kind of along this part and that part, and I just did this for about a minute and it came out looking like this. One thing to keep in mind is that you don't want to touch this with your bare hands at all. If anything, when you're cleaning it, you're going to hold the bottom part right there, and then with your other hand, which I can't because I got the phone in my hand, but with the other hand, you're gonna hold this, and then you use your other hand to kind of just stroke it up and down to clean it. Be gentle, don't be too rigorous, just enough to get the black charcoal stuff off. Alright, so this is some better lighting here. I turn the light on with my phone here. So you can see this is the flame sensor right there, and it's secured with a screw there. I'm using just a square top for the for screwing it in, but that's basically where it is. So you can see that's where the burners are. It's going right into where the burners are. That's the flame sensor right there. So yeah, you screw it back in, secure it, and then you're basically good to go. Alright, so I'm gonna turn the furnace back on, and I had put the oh, there it goes. And I turn the gas back on. I got a loud furnace, but this is how it is. But yeah, looks like we're back in business. This is RK, your boy Richard. Subscribe. See you later.